Yes, a few words for the trainer. ऐसा लगता है नितिन बोलते रहे और हम सुन रहे हैं और बहुत कूल काम हमेशा के आंसर देने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं हम हाँ बोले नहीं बोले व्हाटएवर हम करें but you are always very cool calm peaceful so very nice and knowledge no doubt बहुत extreme पर knowledge है so we always feel like we are in good hands good safe hands.
Thank you. Please also remember that after the workshop gets over, at any place if you guys get stuck or if you have any questions, you can still connect with me, Mamta, Misbah. You will also get added to the CHCP level 1 CHCP course WhatsApp group. That group is generally limited only for sharing case discussions or if you have any questions related to the course and asking those. No highs, hellos, good mornings, good evenings in that group. All right. And there are other support groups and support activities that we are doing that you will get to know about as we share the details in that group once you join in that group. Anything else that any of you would like to share? Thank you, Monaji, for the kind words.
Yeah, so the examples that you were giving were always like very relatable and something that we could easily connect and apply. It was like really nice to know those examples so that we also can utilize it in our life. So yeah, thanks a lot. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else who would like to share anything else?
So Nitin, first of all, thank you for for this entire session. This entire workshop has been really good. The way you all have structured it and with these breakout sessions, I think each concepts right now have been registered in our mind. So there is no way that we'll be forgetting it. And I was a little skeptical when I was just going through the online module because I didn't know then how do I really apply it. But now at the end of it, I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to apply it. So that is a really a good way because for each smaller to smaller concept you have made us practice, and it was not even like overwhelming or something. It was like so too much into the flow that it is not like overburden us. So I think that is really very good, and thanks for curating this course in such a nice way, I would say. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I have something obviously on similar lines that I came on this course very excited to learn. I'm leaving also super excited to go into the next level. It was great meeting everybody. I'm hoping everybody can do awesome and use this course in your professional lives. And as for me, I think there's a while until I use it in my professional life. But it's also opened up my mind to a lot of learning that I might do in university at my university level. So thank you so much for this. It was wonderfully curated. Thank you, Mamta, for being patient with me because she was there for most of the sessions. And Nitin, of course, and everybody else for being very, very supportive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to add that thank you for being so simplistic in the way you're explaining it, because one of the main concerns that Anushka and I had while joining this is that we're a little small, we're younger than the others, so we didn't know if we'll be able to follow or understand everything that is happening. But I think every time we used to practice, we understood everything. So yeah, thank you for being patient with us, even though we were not so experienced in this field.
Thank you.
In fact, me not being from the psychology background also, that was, but the way this course is, designed and conducted, so it really gives you a confidence that yes, you will be, I'll be able to handle and I'll be able to do, more practice with people around. So obviously, and Nitin and Mamta, both of you, really thank you very much because I didn't feel, like an out of the syllabus kind of person over here. Really, thank you very much. A very well designed and excellent course.
Thank you. Anyone who's left?
Yes, I'm left.
Yes, Sudeshna.
I have done lots of courses in lots of fields. So I really wanted to do something which I can know people more easily. So I was looking forward for a course like this. So one of my friends suggested this. Long time before I was inquiring this course, because I live in Calcutta going to Mumbai. So obviously I need to make a plan and all. So online was really convenient for me, number one. Number two, uh, at first I thought maybe again all my money will go to vain and very little I will learn. But really, I am wonderstruck that the way you taught us, it's worth. It's totally worth. Even after doing 3 years, 5 years degree courses, what we learn, maybe we have learned this in these few days only. So what I really feel now, I need to practice, practice, and practice. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for the nice words and for being a part of this course. When we began, actually, we were a bit not sure of what we are doing, simply because for us, this was the first time we were doing this course online. Obviously, we tweaked the course slightly to ensure that it was comfortable doing online, and we removed one process which we thought could be a bit tricky if we were to teach it online. That will be available in your online module though. And whenever for those of you who are going to do a level 3 or something with us, we will then cover that process over there. It's another induction technique. So we removed that, and instead of that, we added the Betty Erickson method in the process. It's been a lot of fun. I think I've done a batch over a period of 3 weekends for the first time. So that's something new for me. And it was a lot of fun. It was interesting. It was fun. So thank you very much. Mamta, anything that you would like to add in the end?
No, I think I'm just happy.
And